Get ready for the much-anticipated Samsung Unpacked event in 2024, which is likely to take place on January 17th. This event is a big deal because it's where Samsung will introduce their latest Galaxy S series, including the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. What's even more exciting is that they're planning to release these phones by January 30th, which is earlier than the previous S23 series. There's a rumor circulating that media invites might start rolling out as early as January 2nd for this event, which is expected to be held in San Jose, California. This year, the spotlight isn't solely on the Ultra model. The S24 Plus is also getting some attention with a larger screen, improved battery, and more RAM. Additionally, there's buzz about some cool AI video processing features that could enhance video quality, especially in low light conditions. Samsung appears confident in these new models, as they're increasing production and focusing on features like live translation and enhanced photography. To top it off, the S24 Ultra might even have the capability to shoot 4K videos at an impressive 120 FPS, making it a strong contender for the title of the best camera phone in 2024. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news. Peace out.